Students, today in English we will be doing a poem 2.5 The Silver House, written by John Lee. Now see the picture shown here. They have shown the shining silver color moon, and they have also shown the sky with some tiny stars and clouds below it. Now this poet John Lee, is from England, and there he is a poet. He is a criminologist, meaning he was working with some criminals and trying to improve upon them, and in his spare time he was writing poems. So this is a beautiful poem, The Silver House, where the poet describes the sky and the moon, and it's his imagination that somebody is staying on the moon. Now first we will read the poem, and then we will go into the explanation of the poem. Let us see the poem. There's a silver house in the lovely sky, as round as a silver crown. It takes 2 weeks to build it up and 2 to pull it down. There's a man who lives in the silver house in a lonely sort of way. But what his name is no one knows. But what his name is no one knows, or no one likes to say. Yet when you go to bed tonight, just draw the window blind and peep out of the silver moon. Peep out at the silver moon, this lonely man to find. But if his house is taken down and all the sky is bare, then go to bed, because of course the poor man won't be there. Now this is a poem where the poet has used figures of speech, and he has used rhyming words to describe the moon. Now he says the moon is a silver house. There's a silver house in the lovely sky, as round as a silver crown. Now here the word crown is the silver coin that the British were using in those days. It is a coin, silver coin, that they used in the past. Now he says this house is as round as the silver coin, silver crown. It takes 2 weeks to build it up and 2 weeks to pull it down. What does this mean? It means that the house is built in 2 weeks and it comes down again in 2 weeks. So this he is describing the phases of the moon. You know that the moon cycle is of 29 days, 28 to 29 days, and out of which 2 weeks it is taking for the full moon to appear in the sky, and again for the diminishing size of the moon again takes another 14 to 15 days. So this cycle of the waxing and waning moon is described as it takes 2 weeks to build it up and 2 weeks to pull it down. There's a man who lives in the silver house. So he's imagining that there is a man who lives in this silver house, and he looks lonely because on the moon nobody else is there. He's all alone. He's lonely. No one knows his name or likes to say what it is. So nobody wants to name that man, and nobody wants to know anything about him. In the next stanza, the poet says that you just open the window shade when it's time for you to go to bed. When it's your sleeping time, you just open the window shade or window blind, blind. Blind means the covering that we have it at our windows to see out, to peep out outside world. See there, what do you see? Then you see. Yet when you go to bed, just draw the window pane and peep out at the silver moon, this lonely man to find. So you, at the time of your bedtime, you go and see whether the man is there or not. At the end, what do you see? We cannot find anybody in the silver house. But if his house is taken down and all the sky is bare, if his house is taken down means if there's no house there, that means it's a moonless night. Then go to bed, because of course the man won't be there. Then the poet tells us that you can go to sleep, for then of course the poor man won't be there. So this is all our imagination of a child who feels that there's a silver house, someone is staying there lonely, and once you go and try to check it out at night time, there's nobody there. So you don't have to worry about it. This man is not going to be there because his house also has disappeared from the sky. The house is a silver house and it is round as silver coin. The man lives there in this lonely house. It takes 2 weeks to build it up and 2 weeks to pull it down, and no one knows the man and no one likes to say anything about the man. So you see the first stanza. Here the rhyming words are crown and down. In the second stanza, the rhyming words are way and say. In the third stanza, the rhyming words are blind and find. And in the fourth stanza, the rhyming words are bare and there. Now the poet has also used some figures of speech and he has tried to make the poem more and more beautiful. He has given a poetic effect to the poem. Which figure of speech is familiar to you? Yes, the first figure of speech, very simple, is the simile. Because simile here, as round as a silver crown. This line tells us that it's a simile because it is words like as is used, and silver coin is compared to the moon. So this one figure of speech we find in the first stanza. Go through the poem once again and then try to understand what the poet means to say and what the poets want to tell us about the silver house, and how he is comparing the house to a crown, silver crown. His moon is compared to a silver crown. Thank you, class. We will do the question answers in the next class. Thank you.